Imagine you're building a house. A strong foundation is crucial for a sturdy structure. In the world of data analytics, data modeling is that foundation. Hey there, I'm here to break down the art of data modeling in Power BI using a storytelling approach to make it easy to understand and apply. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the building blocks of data modeling. Think of entities and attributes like pieces of a puzzle. For example, if you're working with a customer database, the customer itself is an entity. Attributes would be details like name, address, and purchase history. These pieces fit together to form a complete picture of your data. Now let's discuss relationships. Imagine different types of relationships in your data as connectors. You have one-to-one relationships, like a single customer linked to a unique customer ID. Then there are one-to-many relationships. Think one customer with multiple orders. And finally, many-to-many relationships, such as products that can be part of multiple orders. These connections help you understand how different data points interact with each other. Next, let's dive into the star schema. Picture it like a central star surrounded by orbiting planets. The central star is your fact table containing measurable data like sales figures. The orbiting planets are dimension tables holding descriptive data like product details or time periods. Using a star schema can improve your query performance and make your data analysis easier. Now let's touch on best practices for data modeling. First, normalization. This means organizing your data to reduce redundancy. Think of it as decluttering your data space. On the flip side, denormalization is sometimes necessary for performance reasons. It's like adding back some clutter for the sake of quick access. But be mindful of its trade-offs, such as potential data redundancy. And finally, data quality. It's crucial to ensure your data is accurate and clean. Poor data quality can lead to inaccurate analysis, skewed insights, and ultimately, bad decisions. Always aim for high data quality to maintain the integrity of your analysis. All right, let's recap. We've covered the building blocks of data modeling, the importance of the star schema, and best practices like normalization, denormalization, and ensuring data quality. I encourage you to practice these data modeling techniques and explore additional resources to hone your skills. Remember, a strong foundation is key to building anything worthwhile, including your data models. If you think of data as the new oil, data modeling is the key to refining it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Happy modeling!